Hello again, it's old Jim, and today I'm baking a basic bread loaf using strong flour, but just the very basic bread in this tin. Right, and here we are with the ingredients. The good strong flour is the base of the loaf. A 7-gram sachet of quick acting yeast, just a powder in a sachet that we'll mix in with the flour. We also add some skimmed milk powder to give it some body, some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, again just to give it that bodily taste, and a teaspoon of salt. Right, here we go with the first ingredient, which is the flour. 450 grams of flour. Very fine flour is this, very fine. And to this we add 2 teaspoons of powdered milk. Okay. Full of vitamin D and goodies. Now the salt. Okay, that's your salt. Most important is the yeast. And just sprinkle it round and then we'll mix it in. There we are. Wow, that's lovely stuff. Magic. Right, now I'll place this into the bowl of the mixer. Okay, and I'll switch the mixer on. Give all the dry ingredients a good stir. Right, 375 millilitres of cold water are going in to the jug. Remember, this is 375 millilitres of cold water. So now we're going to warm it up slightly in the microwave. Just microwave it for a minute and that should be nice and warm. Not hot, warm. Oh yes, that feels just right. Now we add the teaspoon of olive oil. Makes for a softer bread and obviously adds a little flavour. Oops. The warmed water, not hot, warmed, to the dry ingredients. So here we go. And add them a little at a time. We changed to a dough hook. As you can hear, the poor machine's struggling, but already we're forming quite a doughy-like substance. So we take the dear old fella off and we put the dear old dough hook in. So it may not need all this water the way things are going, but it needs about another minute with the dough hook to give it a good pounding to get everything mixed and settled and the rest of it. So here we go for a minute. that's the end of machine kneading. We'll have a look and see what the dough's like now. Oh, that looks good, that looks really good. And there's the magic dough. Look at that, that's lovely. I'm pleased with that. We cover this over with a tea towel and leave it for half an hour and let it rise. The warm water's in there, it all feels quite warm, so in half an hour it will rise, and then we're ready for the magic tin. Right, that's half an hour up, so we'll unveil and see how well we've done. Oh boy, look at that. That is superb. That is grand. So now I'm going to give it a kneading, because initially the yeast is quite active and it needs to be pounded out a wee bit. I'll just put a bit of, just a sprinkling over my hands and the flour there, just to help things along. And this is just to get the air out. There we are, look at that, beautiful. So what we need next is to prepare the can ready for the dough. So we'll grease it with just a trickle of olive oil and pour the excess off. You don't want it to oil it, but just to stop the bread sticking, that's all. There we are. Pour the excess off. That's the tin ready to receive the dough. That is lovely. And we press it down into the corners. Right, we'll leave that now to rise for 15 minutes. That should do the trick. So I'll set the timer, and in 15 minutes that shall be well risen, certainly level with the top, probably over the top, and then into the oven. So we'll wait for the buzzer now, 15 minutes. Right, there's the buzzer. That's for the 20-minute second rising. And just look at that, what a beauty. So it's really done us proud there. And now it's ready for the oven. Yeah, take the sound off, that will do. Into the oven. Be careful, because everything down here is hot. 190 Celsius for half an hour. Give it half an hour, and that should do. If it needs any more, obviously you have a look, and if it needs any more, it'll probably just need a few more minutes after 30 minutes. So there we are now. So that's it, we're on the way and hoping for a good loaf. Right, all being well, that's the end of baking. 35 minutes at 190 Celsius. So in we go and see what magic has been performed in the oven. Here we go. It is very hot, be careful. There, that was pretty good. Right, so all being well, oh, that is a good sign. That's a good sign. Straight out of the can. That's the sound that's well done. I mean, it looks well done, looks beautiful as that. That's lovely, is that? And there we are. That's the basic loaf, and that's how I cook the basic loaf.